current is directly connected with charge. So that's why we're going to discuss current and charge together. So when we say current, what is current? Current is just rate of flow of charge. Charge is denoted by Q and rate means with respect to time. Okay, so we can say that current is charge flowing per unit time. So this is how we can define current, and that is a formula for current, where Q will be taken in coulombs, T will be taken in seconds, and I is written as A, or sometimes it is also written as amps. Okay, this equation of current, charge, and time can be learned with the help of the triangle. So as per the triangle, charge will come here. Then anything from current and time can come here, and the other one will be here. So how do we read this triangle? If I want Q, then it will be I times T. If I want I, then it will be Q over T. And if I need T, then it will be Q over I. So everything can be understood with this formula also, or you can understand that with the help of that triangle. Okay.
Okay.
Now, other than this, there is one more thing which you should know, that whenever we say current is rate of flow of charge, so by charge, we mean to say electrons. Because in any of the metallic conductor, electrons are the one which are free to move. Protons can never move because they are tied in the nucleus. So mainly when we say flow of charge, so we are indirectly talking about electrons only. So in other words, I can also say that current is flow of electrons. Okay. Current is flow of electrons, but direction of current is just opposite to that of flow of electrons. So for that, for this statement, you can just understand that let's say there is a metallic wire. Okay, metallic wire will be having electrons, and this metallic wire is connected with a battery. Now when we turn on the battery, turn on the switch, then there will be a current flowing from the battery. The current will always flow from positive terminal of a battery and it will come to the negative terminal. So current will flow from positive to negative terminal of a battery. But when you will look at this wire, in the wire, electrons will also start flowing. For example, if I'm connecting a battery, the electrons will start flowing. And since the electrons will start flowing, we can say that current is there in the wire. Now, based on the charges of electrons will flow towards the positive terminal of the battery because they themselves are negatively charged. Just try to understand this thing. They themselves are negatively charged. So negative charge will get attracted to positive charge. So they will flow towards the positive terminal of the battery. So if I talk about the direction in the circuit, I can say that electrons are flowing in anti-clockwise direction while current is flowing in clockwise direction. So to sum up, direction of flow of current is opposite to direction of flow of electrons. Okay, and this will finally sum up everything about current and